Hello students, today we will complete our lesson 7, the last leaf. She begged Johnsy, promised not to look out of the window while I paint. Sue was requesting to Johnsy when he will paint, then please. Johnsy didn't look out of the window. All right, said Johnsy. Johnsy replied, yes. She would not see outside the window. Finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. Now, Johnsy also said to Sue to finish the painting as soon as possible. So she wants to see the last leaf when it will be fallen. I am tired of waiting. I have to die. So let me go away peacefully like one of those poor tired leaves. Means Johnsy has left the desire to live her life. She wants to die, and she has connected her life with the falling leaves of ivy creeper. Sue said, try to sleep. I have to paint an old miner. I will call Behrman up to be my model. Means Sue said to Johnsy, try to sleep. I have to paint an old miner. कि मुझे एक old miner को पेंट करना है. I will call Behrman. और इसके लिए उसको मॉडल किसको बनाएगी? बेहरमन भी एक पेंटर है जो कि एक ओल्ड पर्सन है, वहाँ उनके पड़ोस में रहता है. She rushed down. Behrman lived on the ground floor. He was a 60-year-old painter. His lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece, but that had remained a dream. Sue poured out her worries to Behrman. She told him how Johnsy was convinced that she would die when the last leaf fell. Now, Sue went to the ground floor to meet Behrman, and she has also discussed her problem of Johnsy with Behrman. Then she wants to get solution of Johnsy's problem for Behrman. So she wanted to meet Behrman. Is she stupid? Asked Behrman. How can she be so foolish? When Behrman knew about Johnsy's that she has connected her life with the falling leaves of ivy creeper, then Behrman called her foolish. She is running a high temperature, complained Sue. She refuses to eat or drink and worries me a lot. Then she was suffering from high fever, but she refused to take any medicine or soup, and that thing worried to Sue about Johnsy. I will come with you and see Johnsy, Behrman said. They tiptoed. Tiptoed means walked on toes. उसी समय both of them means Behrman and Sue went into the room of Johnsy where she was sleeping. Sue drew the curtain together and they went to the next room. And after that they went to the next room. She peeped out through the window. There was only one leaf on the creeper. When they saw outside the window, there was only one leaf that was left on the ivy creeper. It was raining heavily and icy cold wind was blowing. And at that time, it was raining heavily and icy cold wind was also blowing. It seemed as though the leaf would fall any minute now. कि जो last leaf है वो किसी भी समय गिर सकता है क्योंकि बहुत तेज और ठंडी हवा चल रही है. Behrman didn't say a word. He went back to his room. वह दोबारा से अपने कमरे में, अपने फ्लैट में चला गया. Johnsy woke up next morning. In a feeble voice, she asked Sue to draw the curtains. Johnsy woke up. That she was sleeping whole night. She woke up in the next morning and she saw outside the window. Sue was nervous because Sue was nervous that the leaf that the cold wind was blowing last night, though the last leaf would also be fallen. शी ड्रू बैक द कर्टेन वेरी रिलक्टेंटली, रिलक्टेंटली होता है हेजिटेंटली, मतलब स्यू जो है वो कर्टेन को हटाना नहीं चाहती, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि जैसे ही वो कर्टेन हटेगा ऐसे ही जो लीफ होगा वो आईवी क्रीपर पर होगा नहीं, तो उसको डर है कि कहीं जॉन्सी को इस कारण से कुछ नहीं हो जाए। ओ स्यू एक्सक्लेम्ड एज शी लुक्ड एट द वाइन क्रीपर, लुक देयर इज स्टिल वन लीफ on the creeper, it looks quite green and healthy in spite of the storm and fierce wind, it didn't fall. What did they see when they draw the curtain? They saw that there was a leaf, last leaf that was left on the ivy creeper, which was more green colored and more healthy. I heard the wind last night, said Johnsy. I thought it would have fallen. It would surely fall today, then I will die. Then Johnsy was saying that last leaf will fall today, and after that she will die. Johnsy smiled weakly and closed her eyes. After that she closed her eyes. After every hour or so she would look out of the window and find the leaf still there. After every hour, Johnsy was checking the last leaf on the ivy creeper, and that last leaf was still there. It seemed to be clinging to the creeper. In the evening there was another storm, but the leaf didn't fall. और इवनिंग के अंदर फिर से तेज तूफान चलता है, फिर भी वो जो लीफ है वो नहीं गिरता. जॉन्सी ले फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम लुकिंग एट द लीफ. देन शी कॉल्ड सू, I have been a bad girl. You have looked after me so lovingly, and I have not cooperated with you. I have been depressed and gloomy. The last leaf has shown me how weak I have been. I have realized that it is a sin to want to die. When the last leaf didn't fall, after Johnsy was waiting, but that leaf was not falling. Then she realized her mistake, and she felt sorry to Sue when she said that I am a bad girl. It is a sin to desperate hope to die. कि अगर हम किसी अपनी लाइफ को जीना छोड़ देते हैं, अगर हम अपनी लाइफ को जीना नहीं चाहते, इससे बड़ा पाप इस दुनिया में कोई भी नहीं है. वो अपनी गलती को रियलाइज करती है. Sue hugged Johnsy. Then she gave her lots of hot soup and a mirror. Johnsy combed her hair and smiled brightly. Then they talked to each other, and Sue gave Johnsy a lots of hot soup and a mirror, and Johnsy combed her hair and she started to smile brightly. In the afternoon, the doctor came. After examining his patient, he told Sue, Johnsy now has the will to live. When the doctor came and he checked Johnsy, then he said to Sue that now the patient has desire to live. I am confident she will recover soon. कि अब इसके अंदर डिज़ायर है जीने की, तो ये अब जल्दी से रिकवर हो जाएगी, ठीक हो जाएगी. Now I must go downstairs and see Behrman. She is also suffering from pneumonia. Now Sue decided to meet Behrman, who was suffering from pneumonia, but I am afraid there is no hope for him. But जो Behrman है, at that time she was suffering from severe pneumonia, and there is no hope to live his life. The next morning Sue came and sat on Johnsy's bed. Taking Johnsy's hand in her, she said, I have something to tell you. Now Sue got to know that Behrman was no more in this world. She was suffering from pneumonia. She was died due to pneumonia. She told that bad news to Johnsy. He was ill for only 2 days. The first day, the janitor found him on his bed. Janitor means a person who looks after buildings. His clothes and shoes were wet and he was shivering. He had been out in that stormy night. Means why was she outside in that stormy night? She was painting a last leaf on ivy creeper so that Johnsy would live happily her life. Then they found a ladder and a lantern still lighted lying near his bed. There were also some brushes and green and yellow paints on the floor near the ladder. Jonesy dear, said Dew, look out of the window, look at that ivy creeper. Haven't you wondered why it doesn't flutter when the wind blows? That's Behrman's masterpiece. He painted it the night the last leaf fell. Means when they saw a ladder means CD, lantern, and still lighted lying near his bed. And there were also some brushes and green yellow colors on the floor near the ladder. उन्होंने कलर्स को देखा, लेडर को देखा, उसके वेट शूज़ को, क्लोथ्स को देखा. तो क्या समझ में आई उनको बात कि जो लास्ट लीफ अब तक नहीं गिरा, तो वो लास्ट लीफ किसने बनाया था? वो बेहरमन ने बनाया था. आर्टिफिशियल लीफ कि जोन्सी जो है वो अपनी लाइफ में होपफुल पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग रखे और अपना जीवन जीने की इच्छा पैदा कर ले. इस कारण से बेहरमन ने उसके लिए एक और आर्टिफिशियल लीफ उस पर आइवी क्रीपर पर बनाया था, जिस कारण से वो ठंड में और बारिश में बीमार हो गया. भीगने के कारण वो निमोनिया हो गया. निमोनिया के कारण ही वॉज नो मोर इन दिस वर्ल्ड. और यही बेहरमन का मास्टरपीस था जो वो अपनी लाइफ में बनाना चाहता था, नहीं बना पाया था, वो उसका ड्रीम बनकर रह गया था. अब वो मास्टरपीस उसने अपना जीवन, ही सेक्रीफाइस्ड हिज ओन लाइफ टू गिव लाइफ टू जोन्सी. दैट्स बेहरमन मास्टरपीस. ही पेंटेड इट द नाइट द लास्ट लीफ फेल. और उसने वो उस रात लास्ट लीफ बना दिया था, जिस रात को वो लास्ट लीफ गिर गया था उससे पहले उसने उसको बना दिया था ताकि जोन्सी जो है वो जीवित रह सके. सो दिस इज योर चैप्टर 7 द लास्ट लीफ. you have to read thoroughly from the textbook and listen the video very carefully. Thank you so much, students.